Here we have my LG washer, and it's blinking UE. I'm guessing that must stand for like uneven or something. But what it's been doing here for the last 10-15 minutes is it's been making a bunch of clunking noises when it tries to spin. And so you can see my wife's got a blanket in here, but it's kind of unbalanced, it's not even. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of move it around a little bit, make it a little bit more balanced. There, now it should be okay now. We'll just go ahead and start it over again. There, put it back on spin. Try that one more time. You can see it's still not the best. It doesn't work very good when there's just like one blanket in here. It's best to have like a bunch of towels or something with it too. All right, now we're getting up to full speed and it's not faulting out. So, real simple fix here. Just out of balance. Just had to spread it around a little bit more evenly in the washer. All right, now we're getting up to full speed. Still shaking a little bit, but it's not faulting out anyway, so I think we're gonna be okay.